what's going on? Working on the Samsung TV, replace the LEDs. The TV works. There's just a slight issue in the screen, but I mean, what do you want? It's a hard job, first time doing it, but the TV works. It looks all right. Anyway, got to install the speakers. We got to install these brackets here. I don't quite remember how they went, honestly. Let's try. Okay. Oh, and then these just click in here. It's a fun little project. Why does that do that? I don't know. So then that one's in there. There was little ones too. Where did these go? I'm gonna be mad if I put this on and then I gotta take it back off. Wait a minute. This one. There's one here. There's this one here. Where did it go? It's got like a clip. Aha! Right here. Maybe. That looks right. Under here. Ooh la la. Alright, let's put this one on. Boom, boom, boom. Boop, boop, ba-doo. Out go the lights. And let's do this one. That was over there, so that means this one goes over here. Man, I can't imagine. I bet the guys who built this did this. They can do this so fast. It's probably all automated too, or a lot of it is. Pretty cool. Oh, I can't wait to hear it. Hear it and see it work. Here. There. All right. I think we're ready for the back panel. All right. So we replaced the LEDs in a 65-inch Samsung. The only thing tricky about this is how delicate the screen is. I accidentally cracked it a little bit, and you can see a little deformation in the coloring in the center, but I mean, what can you do? It was a friend gave it to me for a project, so we are going to go with it. All right, time to put the back on.